Hello students, how are you? Welcome to Mehdi English School. Myself Nilofer Miss and my subject is mathematics. And you not students, you all know very well that I am taking the mathematics class. So I hope that you all are ready to attend today's online lecture. Right dear students? Now, as you know that we always start our lecture with the quote. So here is the today's quote. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. What do you mean by this quote? That the educations, whenever you are studying, you don't like it. You like it's a bitter, like a bitter gourd, right? But whenever the fruit, it means the result of the education will come in the future, you will just feel it like a sweet fruit. So right now it is like a bitter education is you are feeling like it's a bitter, but fruit is so sweet whenever you are just get it as a fruit. Now here is let's start the revision of the FA3 and the chapter number 8. As you know that the FA3 exams soon start, so let's start the revision of the FA3. So are you all ready with your book and pencil to attend the class? So let's start chapter number 8. I hope that the homework and worksheet is all done in the homework which I is given to you. So let's start the revision. Let's revise the previous lecture first and then we will go to the next topic. So here is the revision is there. Example I have for you. So here is the next example. So here is in the step 1, here is 35 multiply by 2. What it is in the step 1? So here is multiply 2 with the ones value. What we have to do in the step number 1? So multiply 2 with ones value. So here is the 2 number, we have to multiply with the 5. So 2 5s are, so answer will come in the 2 digit. So 0 is at the ones place and here we are writing the one number which is the carry forwarded. We can put here as a carry forwarded number on the tens column. This way here is 1 0 10. 2 5s are is equal to 10. So we can write down 0 under the ones column and number 1 will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now this step number 1 is complete. So here is the step number 2 which is 2 3s are. So 2 3s are is equal to 6 plus 1 carry we have to add into the 6. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, right? So here you can see I write down number 7 under the tens column. Here is number 7, you can see this. So let's do both the steps together so you can easily understood this. Now here is 2 5s are. So 2 5s are is equal to 10. So I write 0 under the ones column and the 1 will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. So this step 1 is complete. So let's move to the step 2 which is 2 3s are. Multiply 2 with the tens value which is 3. So 2 3s are is equal to 6. So we have to add this carry forwarded number which is 1 into the 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So the answer is 70. This is the answer. Now one more example for you. Multiply 3 with the ones value. Here is multiply. We have to speak the table number 3 and the ones value is 6. So 3 6 is equal to 18. So from the 18 we have to write down number 8 under the ones column and then we can put one number from the 18 as a carry forwarded number on the tens column. You can see it here. Now the next one, step 2, let's go for it. And let's multiply number 3 with the tens value, which is 2. So 3 2s is equal to 6. In the 6 we have to add one number which is carry forwarded. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Now let's do both the steps together. So here is 3 6. So 3 6 is equal to 18. Write down under the ones column number 8 and number 1 will move as a carry forwarded number on the tens column. Now here is 3 2s. So 3 2s is equal to 6 and add one number which is carry forwarded into the 6. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So the final answer is 78. Now the next, multiply 5 with 1's value. Here is multiply 5 with the 1's value. So here is 5 4s. So 5 4s is equal to 20. So we can write down 0 from the 20 under the 1's column, and number 2 will move as a carry forwarded number on the tens column. You can see here in the screen which is in front of you that here is I am writing number 2 as a carry forwarded number. Now let's move to the step 2. Here is multiply 5 with tens value. What? Let's multiply number 5 with the tens value. So here is 5 2s. The tens value is 2. So 5 2s is equal to 10. And you have to add 2 number into the 10. So 5 2s 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So there is no any digit after the tens column. So you can write down 1 as it is. No need to put this one number as a carry. You can write down as it is. Let's do both the steps together so you can easily understood this. Here is 5 4s. So 5 4s is equal to 20. So you can write down 0 under the 1's column. 2 will move as a carry forwarded number. Here you can see. Now let's multiply 5 with the tens value. So 5 2s 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So here you can see that 120. Here is 120, which is the answer. I hope you like this, students, and understood also these types of sum. If you know the table, you can easily solve these types of sum by yourself only. Now here one worksheet for you. You can solve this worksheet by yourself if you know the tables. If your table vocabulary is very good, then you can easily solve these types of sum by yourself. Let's start solving it. Here is 3 4s. We have to take first the 1's column. So here is 3 4s. 3 4s is equal to 12. So we can put 2 under the 1's column and 1 will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now 3 8s. 3 8s is equal to 24 plus 1 you have to add into the 24 is equal to 25. So here is the answer 252. We are getting the answer 252. Now the next one is 4 6. So 4 6 is equal to 24. So you can write down 4 under the 1's column and 2 will move as a carry forwarded number at the tens column. Now 4 8s. 4 8s is equal to 48 plus 2 is equal to 4 8s is equal to 32 plus 2 is equal to 34. So here is the answer 344. Now the next sum, Here is 2 8s are. 2 8s are, how much it is? 2 8s are 16. So you can write down 6 under the ones column. 1 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now 2 2s are. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So the answer is 56. What is the answer for this sum? It is 56. Now the next sum here is 2 8s are. So again 2 8s are is equal to 16. So you can write down 6 under the ones column and 1 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now 2 4s are is equal to 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So for this sum, the answer we are getting is 96. Now the next one, 6 6 are. What is a 6 6 are? 6 6 are 36. So from the 36, I am writing number 6 under the ones column and 3 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now 6 3s are. 6 3s are is equal to 18. So we have to add 3 number into the 18. So which answer will come? 19, 20 and 21. So 21 number will come. So the answer for this sum is 216. Now the next sum is here 3 8s are. So 3 8s are is equal to 24. So I am write down 4 under the ones column and number 2 will move as a carry forwarded number on the tens column. Now the number 3 6 are. So here 3 6 are is equal to 18. So in the 18 you have to add 2 number which is carry forwarded. So 18 plus 2 is equal to 20. So for this sum the answer is 204. What is the answer? 204. This is the answer. Let's move to the next sum. Here is 5 7s are. 5 7s are 35. So I am writing 5 under the ones column and 3 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now the next one 5 8s are. 5 8s are is equal to 40. So we have to add 3 number into the 40. So 40 plus 3 is equal to 43. Here you can see 43. So the final answer for this sum is 435. What is the final answer? 435. This is the answer. Now the next one is 8 6 are. How much it is? If you know the table very well, you can easily solve this sum by yourself without taking anyone's help. But to solve this types of sum, you must need a table. If you know the table, this is the easiest sum for you. Now the next one 8 6 are. 8 6 are is equal to 48. So here I am writing 8 under the ones column and 4 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now again 8 6 is here. 8 6 is equal to 48. So add 4 number into the 48. So 48 plus 4 is equal to 52. How much it is? 48 plus 4 is equal to 52. So here is the answer 528. What is the answer? 528. Now the next one 4 3s are. So 4 3s are is equal to 12. So from the 12 I write 2 under the ones column and 1 will move as a carry forwarded number on the tens column. You can see here. Now 4 7s are. 4 7s are 28 plus 1 you have to add is equal to 29. So here is 292. This is the answer 292. Now the next one 7 9s are. How much it is? 7 9s are So 7 nines is equal to 63. 7 nines are 63. So I write 3 under the ones column and 6 will move as a carry forwarded number on the tens column. Now here is 7 6. How much it is? 7 6. So 6 7s are 42 plus 6 is equal to 48. So the answer for this sum is 483. What is the answer? 483. Now the next sum, 7 sevens are. So 7 sevens are is equal to 49. So you can write down 9 under the ones column. 4 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now again 7 sevens are. So 7 sevens are is equal to 49, plus you have to add this 4 number into the 49. So 49 plus 4 is equal to 53. So the answer for this sum is equal to 539. What is the answer? 539. Now the next one, 8 fours are. 8 fours are is equal to 32. So you can write down 2 under the ones column and 3 will move as a carry forwarded number on the tens column. Now 8 6 are. How much it is? 8 6 are. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 3 is equal to 51. So the final answer for this sum is 512. Here is 9 8s are. 9 8s are is equal to 72. So we can move 7 number as a carry forwarded number on the tens column. Now here is again 9 8s are, which is 72. So 72 plus 7 is equal to 79. So the final answer is 792. Now the next one, 6 sevens are. So 6 sevens are is equal to 42. So we can write down 2 under the ones column and 4 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now 6 6 are 36 plus 4 is equal to 40. Then the next one, 6 5s are. 6 5s are is equal to 30. So you can write down 0 under the ones column. 3 will move as a carry forwarded number. Now 6 7s are. 6 7s are 42 plus 3 is equal to 45.